know, for those who are wondering about, oh, here, I guess I don't need the flash. We're wondering about what does the camera above the bed look like in the rain. Well, as you can see, looks pretty clear. Of course, I'm not driving, but just as a little example. Another quick video driving in the rain. As you can see, kind of hard to see out that rear view mirror. Easier to see out this one, although not perfect for sure. It does pick up some glare as well. So just want to show you the comparison. Now see here at slower speeds, that rear camera is still dirty, got a lot of glare. This upper one here, much clearer, can see out easier even with street light glare and some lightning and that sort of thing. So overall, definitely an improvement over what's on the tailgate.